Cybersecurity threats are becoming ever more sophisticated. Core security and compliance workshops provide guidance for an end-to-end secured ecosystem across your organization's identities, data, endpoints, infrastructure, and networks. Understand advanced security and compliance strategy priorities, initiatives, and key influences. Our expert teams provide decision-making guidance to help protect your sensitive systems and data from an ever-evolving threat landscape. Systematically develop an accurate understanding of your organization's data and how to locate, secure, identify, and map it. Scale these processes to achieve a higher level of visibility and manageability, while reducing risk, even with a remote or hybrid working model. Understand your current security posture and how you compare to your industry peers. You may even be eligible for funding to cover the cost. Want to get started? Email us today or fill out a form online to find out more.